Hello everyone and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus dollar. I'll speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first, and let's start with a 4-hour time frame. You can see here that market basically had a breakout of this contraction consolidation in a downside environment short term. So I see potential for the further drop, and there is a plenty potential for the further downside. So 1.2700, 1.2625 are the next downside objectives on the pound dollar, as long as the pound dollar is trading below 1.2870 mark, there is a chance for a further drop. On the Bitcoin dollar, we can see that on the 4-hour time frame, or actually on the daily time frame, we had a free pushes higher, and market is now trading lower below the declining 10 and 20-day moving averages. So last week we had a doji candle, and so far this week seems like market is taking this pin bar low. So I see potential for the further downside development. And the downside objectives, I will say the key downside objective is set around 58,000, and then we have area around 54,000 mark. On the dollar index, we had reaction up. So seems like this on the weekly time frame, we had quite an outside week, but seems the market is just trading around in the middle of the current week range. So far, I will say this is still consolidation and overlapping of the candles. So consolidation is still in the play. And as long as the market is trading in this consolidation, this is for me flat. If the market will start and break under 481, there will be a chance for a rally. If market drops and trade below 103.69, there will be a chance for a further downside movement. But so far, consolidation in the play. On the gold market, we had a higher high, higher low this week relative to the previous week so far. We have two low to high days on the daily time frame. So still, there is a chance for rotation to the downside today. Let's switch to the hourly time frame. So if we can clear like 2,435 or so and trade below, there will be a chance for a market to trade towards the 2,410, 2,400 mark. It's a potential rotation, and I see at least downside rotation for today. On the crude oil, we had such a big update yesterday, and the result was basically exhaustion of supply. And so you can see the tail on the weekly time frame, and the market traded all the way into this 50-day moving average and the previous swing high. So 79.75 and 79.80 is quite an important resistance for the crude oil. But so far, market is holding, and the previous day closed near the high. So there is a chance for a little follow through. And then we have such a big resistance around 80.50. So still there is a chance for a little bit, 80.35, 80.50 for the market to trade higher. Or we also can have a consolidation day due to this quite a big update yesterday. And on the NASDAQ 100, we had quite a big update. So there was a rejection of the rising 100-day moving average, and market is now trading into the 20-day and 50-day moving average on the daily time frame. So this will be important pivot level to observe, because if we see that some bigger downside movement, there is also a chance for rotation back into the previous day range. But from another side, if market will keep and trade above, there is a next pivot level at 19,900. That will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.